Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my new video. Today's video contains the best of Amazon's latest kitchen gadgets of this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end, and choose which product is missing in your kitchen. Add our products to your kitchen and make your time and cooking easier. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So friends, let's start the video. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Easy to clean. The bowl, lid, and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach Chopper are all dishwasher safe. Knife sharpener kit. Precision sharpness, lasting edge. Professional chefs invest in high-quality knife sharpener. Protect your tools with the YOHO rolling knife sharpener. Its intuitive design restores razor-sharp edges in seconds, maintaining peak performance for extended use. Perfect for home cooks and experts alike, achieve professional-level precision effortlessly. Diamond ceramic dual discs. The YOHO rolling knife sharpener kit combines number 400 diamond grit, industrial-grade abrasives, and number 1000 ceramic disc for precision sharpening. How to use a knife sharpening kit. First, grind away dull edges with diamond, then polish with ceramic, achieving razor-sharp results in minutes. 15-degree 20-degree magnetic support. The YOHO rolling knife sharpener ensures consistent grinding angles, vital for precision. Knife sharpeners features dual-angle modes, 20 degrees ideal for daily kitchen knives, 15 degrees for ultra-sharp edges or fine cuts. Adapting to diverse needs, excludes serrated blades/scissors. Mesh strainers. Stainless steel. Imported. Included. The Cuisinart set of strainers comes in 3 sizes from 3 to 1/8 inch, 5 to 1/2 inch, and 7 to 7/8 inch sizes. Used for. Excellent for sifting dry ingredients. Material. Made from durable stainless steel mesh. Easy to use. Easy to use and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Limited lifetime warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Stainless steel wire masher. Ideal for mashing vegetables. Perfect for mashing root vegetables, avocados, apples, and nuts. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation under heavy use. The handle features a debossed logo, chrome-plated bolster, and a stainless steel end cap. Rust-resistant. The head is crafted from thick 4-5 mm stainless steel wire which is durable and will not rust. Dishwasher safe. This masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Lifetime limited included. This masher comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Egg flipper spatula tongs. Cooking versatile 2-in-1 design. Revolutionize your cooking experience with ease as you effortlessly egg flipper spatula tong and securely grip your foods. This innovative culinary tool is expertly designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with precision and versatility. Red circle black circle set of 2 in black and red. Elevate your kitchen style with this sleek set of 2 egg flipper spatulas featuring classic black and vibrant red colors. Whether you're aiming for a modern or traditional aesthetic, these spatulas complement any kitchen decor while adding a pop of color and functionality. Pancakes multi-purpose use. The egg flipper spatula excels at handling omelets, pancakes, steak, meat, fish, eggs, and beyond. This versatile kitchen tool is adept at turning, rotating, and frying, offering unparalleled convenience. Whether for home cooking, restaurant service, hotel kitchens, buffet setups, parties, and beyond, it's the ideal companion for all culinary endeavors. Swivel vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. Kitchen tweezers. Durability material, easy on your hand. Jetcom kitchen tweezers are made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion, non-toxic, uncoated. Dishwasher safe. The thickened kitchen tweezers are very sturdy, tough, and durability, while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Ergonomic design. Our cooking tweezers design with comfortable ergonomic shape, using a comfortable handle, long cooking tweezer to protect your movements. The tip blunt enough to be safe to touch or even press, and holds the food securely, minimizing the risk of food slipping and sliding. Multi-purpose usages. This tweezer tongs is great for kitchen, restaurants, buffets, weddings, parties, and more. Perfect for cooking, roasting, grabbing small objects, pharmacy purpose, pulling out hair, electrical repairing, crafting. Even the food tweezers can be used for feeding small animals, cleaning out a garden or fish tank, plant maintenance. Lemon zester cheese grater. Comfortable to use, built to last. Heavy checkmark. The hand grater has a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that won't rust and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Its unique curved sides make it extremely rigid and allow you to apply more force when it's needed. Save space in the kitchen and drawer. Heavy checkmark. Replace your bulky, unsafe, and hard-to-clean box grater. Cheese grater electric. Cheese grater with container or heavy electric food processor with a single dice. Classic zester grater food shredder. The metal Parmesan cheese grater teeth won't clog up the way other graters for kitchen do, so it's a snap to clean. Just pass your cheese grater under running water. Improve your cooking. Heavy checkmark. Amaze your friends with new, restaurant-like recipes. Add strong new flavors with fresh lemon zest without any bitter pith taste. When using the chef zester with hard cheeses such as Parmesan, you'll get a nice pile of grated cheese that melts almost instantly on hot pasta. Onion holder. Precision sharpness, lasting edge. Professional chefs invest in high-quality knife sharpener. Protect your tools with the YOHO rolling knife sharpener. Its intuitive design restores razor-sharp edges in seconds, maintaining peak performance for extended use. Perfect for home cooks and experts alike. Achieve professional-level precision effortlessly. Diamond ceramic dual discs. The YOHO rolling knife sharpener kit combines number 400 diamond grit, industrial-grade abrasives, and number 1000 ceramic disc for precision sharpening. How to use a knife sharpening kit. First, grind away dull edges with diamond, then polish with ceramic, achieving razor-sharp results in minutes. Toadfish shrimp deveiner tool. Reliably strong, made to last. Can a kitchen tool become a family heirloom? It can if it's made with care, using exceptional elements. You'll pass the Toadfish Frogmore shrimp cleaner onto future generations with pride. Its durability is matched only by its ease of use and appealing design. This kitchen essential is destined to become a favorite, especially among coastal and seafood connoisseurs. Multitasking seafood superstar. No need for a whole kit full of shrimp gadgets when you have this one streamlined tool in hand. Culinary pros, seasoned shrimpers, and everyday home cooks all agree. This shrimp deveiner and knife is all you need.